My first testimony goes like this. Before I came to choosing, I was born and brought up in a Sabbath-keeping church. So in that very church, we were told that no Sunday worshippers will go to heaven. And because of that, we don't go to people's church. We believe that our own church is the best. So as I was in that very church, as I was born and brought up and as I was growing up, I discovered that I was not normal. I discovered that I was very stubborn, that even cane or punishment cannot stop me to do what I want to do. So sometime in 2007, a brother in this ministry invited me to choosing. So when I came, I saw what was going on, the prayers, and when GO will pray, he will say spirit husband, people will say out. He will say spirit wife, people will say out. So I was like, if I stay put in this ministry, all these things has been happening to me, that everything will be all right. So I decided to stay put. So as I continued, I also thank God that I got married in this ministry, choosing, praise the Lord.
Clap your hands.
I was praying to God to deliver me, to grant me freedom totally. Because I normally had this very dream every night. There's this mighty serpent that normally comes to me every night. And the serpent is coming as a friend to me. And whenever the serpent comes, we will stay from that night till morning. When it is time for me to open my eyes, the serpent will go. So when I came to this ministry, I realized that this thing is not good. And I also realized that there is a being in me that is always controlling me. And whatever this being says is what I do. I don't have decision on my own. At times, whatever he said I should do, after doing it, I will be crying and be regretting, why did I do this? So when I came to this ministry, I was presenting it to God of choosing to deliver me from this spirit. So on a faithful day like that, I was in a service here. So I saw an invisible hand entered into my body and dragged out something like being out of me that very day. And since that day till today, I was free, choosing, praise the Lord.
Clap your hands unto God of the choosing.